In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Snapchat account on your phone. So, when you first open up Snapchat, you would be on the camera tab, and now you're going to want to click the top left, your little Bitmoji. Now from here, you're going to want to click the settings button on the top right. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, not log out, not my data, but you're going to want to click delete account. Now it'll ask you to log in. You would go ahead and log in. It'll ask you to confirm that you're not a robot, so when you put in mountains and hills, which seems to be those ones. Yep. Press log in, and it's gonna ask you for suspicious login. I'm sure every time they're gonna ask you this. If not, then you'll just continue with the process. But you would go ahead and do whatever it's asking you to do, get a text message and all that. They'll ask you very simple things that you guys could do by yourself. The main point is that you know how to get there and you know how to delete your account.